Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, so how is everyone feeling today? Feeling good? Yes. Now, Susie is a female, and the female eagles are much larger and bigger than the males. Of course, she is no exception, right? And very shortly, she's going to take a flight down to the sun right over there. Nice, beautiful glide down. Okay, Susie, anytime you are ready, here she comes. Wow, nice landing. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, Susie has been with us for almost 25 years. That's right, a strong beat and powerful talents make her an unmatched huntress.
Now, Susie here weighs 4.7 kilograms. At high speeds, she can almost her entire body weight.
Oh, that's very impressive. By the way, here's another interesting fact about the bald eagles. They build really huge nests. And if you're wondering how big the bald eagle's nest could get, well, it could get up to about 10 feet wide. Let's take this stuff that's
In Singapore.
By the way, these white-bellied sea eagles have rough undersides, which enable them to get a good grip over slippery and struggling prey on the surface of the water, right?
Okay, keep your eyes on it. Here it comes. And...
Wow, that was an impressive snatch. Well, for those of you who missed that one. There you go. Round of applause for Elsa, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Of snatching or stealing food from a bird which is as big as Nelson. Alright, that's a nice landing, by the way, Sapphire. Now, when you're walking around the parks in Mandai and you look high up, you might get to chance upon some wild brownie kites or even white-bellied seagulls. This is an easy way to identify them. On your left is the white-bellied seagull, and on the right would be the brownie kite.
So it's easy to spot these differences. First would be the obvious. Well, each year, 2 million raptors began their migratory journey from Europe and Asia to Africa. It is a perilous journey. So with that, everyone, joining us here on stage, we have Latif on the ladyfish owl and Soren the barn owl.
Well, Daria, you mentioned something about silent flight earlier, right?
Yes.
Silent flight is because, unlike other birds of prey, owls have this extremely soft edge at the tip of their feathers. So, the sound frequency created by the wing flaps will be absorbed by those feathers. Hence, they're able to fly very silently, as silent as a whisper. And also, they have excellent eyesight, am I right? In fact, they have binocular vision.
Yes, and the colors of their eyes actually tells us when they like to hunt. So owls with yellow eyes, they tend to hunt during the day. Owls with orange eyes, they like to hunt during sunrise and sunset. Last but not least, owls with black eyes, they tend to hunt at night. So with that, everyone, let's give Latif and Soren, our lovely owls, a round of applause. Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, one of the most widely misunderstood bird of prey in the world would be the vulture. You see, vultures are usually portrayed as evil birds. When we watch TV, you see vultures soaring high up in the sky, and there's always
Columns of air to fly and glide as they search for dead animals using their sense of sight and smell. Vultures prevent the spread of diseases.
Well, we have one vulture waiting very patiently right up there. Let's welcome Zena, our turkey vulture. Ladies and gentlemen, the turkey vultures can be found in the Americas, and they are lots of them in the wild, almost about 10 million. And these birds have an excellent sense of smell. They're able to pick up the stench of rotten meat from miles away.
So this means that turkey vultures are usually on the
This
dinner.
enables them to digest carrion pretty well. Well, Zina has done well. It's time for the headline. Thank you very much, Zina. And Ho is up to switching. He's recording for you. Alright, going to make a spotlight up to him. Yeah. She's waiting for her round of applause. Let's give it to her. There you go. Okay, looks like she has decided to extend her wings and get some sun. Alright? She's flying pretty well this complex. She can go back home now. Thank you so much. You want to go back home? Alright. I'm going to place her right over here. Okay. She's calling for you. Bye.
Very cheeky this morning, huh, Zina? There you go. Thank you very much, Zina.
So, ladies and gentlemen, you have seen a alternate story about 2005. A young Himalayan river vulture was on its migratory route from the Tibetan plateau all the way to Thailand in winter. Now, during this migration journey, this bird was found to be extremely weak and dehydrated right here in Singapore, in Orchard Road. So the authorities contacted us. We managed to rescue him and nurse him back to good health.
Unfortunately, Genghis here suffered an injury which prevented him from being released back into the wild. So he is now a very special member of our raptor family. And he definitely lives up to his name, the mighty Genghis.
There you go. Okay, then it's time for you to head back home, boy. Right this way.
Still enjoying the streets.
That's right, really enjoying his feet. Now, the Himalayan river vultures not only fly very well or soar very well, they're also known to gallop really fast. And once he's done with his tree, you can actually watch him galloping towards me. Okay? Now, this is basically a very intimidating gallop. That's how they also ward off predators in the wild.
You see how he's using his large talons to hold on to the food while he chews it apart.
Okay, watch this gallop. Oh, look at that. Imagine the vulture coming towards you just like that. That's pretty intimidating, alright? Okay, thank you very much, Genghis. Home is that way. See you later. Bye-bye. This morning. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the African wildlife culture can be found in Africa, and they are pretty aggressive eaters. About 100 to 200 vultures are known to rip down a carcass as huge as this down to bones within minutes. They are extremely fast. Watch how fast they start to pick up. There you go. That's how they move very fast. And not only that, these birds are critically endangered. Unfortunately, not many of them left in the wild.
Next up, we have the ligaments and the heart of the animal. Let's turn the Siamese vulture, our heavyweight from Europe. Now, this bird is usually solitary except for when they mate and have chicks. So they prefer to feed in smaller groups. Our male right back there, he has large, gripping feet with sharp talons and a hooked beak to tear apart and eat chunks of flesh.
That's how they go about competing for food in the wild.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, 11 species of vultures in Africa clean up about 70% of the continent's carrier. So we would be in a lot of trouble without vultures.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, throughout the world, we are losing these birds at an alarming rate. Due to various reasons, for example, like deforestation, electrocution, deliberate poisoning, and also superstitious beliefs. Now, conservation efforts will be the only way to save these birds from extinction. So let us all show our support for these wonderful birds that will be keeping our environment safe and clean. Let us all give them a big round of applause.
Today you've met raptors and scavengers. kids of the skies, and walkers of our earth. They are a part of our ecosystem, a part of our planet. And if we lose them, we lose a part of our family.
Thank you so much for joining us this morning, ladies and gentlemen. And having said that, let us all learn to live in harmony with all predators on the way.